During my visit to the Philips booth at CES 2025, I was impressed by their dedication to innovation and their robust global presence in the smart door lock industry. Philips offers a comprehensive catalog of smart locks ranging from the 5000 to the 9000 series, each designed to meet varying needs and preferences. A standout product is the 5000 series palm recognition Wi-Fi smart lock, the world's first palm recognition deadbolt lock and a personal favorite of mine. This innovative lock uses palm vein patterns for keyless entry, providing unmatched accuracy and security. Its features include contactless unlocking with 99.99% accuracy, enhanced security through unique vein pattern recognition, built-in Wi-Fi for remote control via the Philips Home Access app, and smart auto lock functionality. The lock also includes a built-in doorbell and wireless chime, offering added convenience and ease of use. The higher series from the 6000 to 9000 models cater to a variety of needs with advanced features such as tamper alerts, dual verification modes, motion sensors, video-enabled doorbells, and remote control capabilities. The 7000 series features fast palm vein recognition and enhanced safety alerts, while the 8000 series introduces smart push-pull door locks with streamlined functionality. The premium 9000 series offers a comprehensive set of security features, including loitering alerts, video integration, and advanced locking mechanisms.